Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Let us read the question. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. It is given that x minus 1 is a factor. That means p of 1 will be 0 by factor theorem. So let us substitute 1 in px and equate it to 0. We get 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k equal to 0, which will give us 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k equal to 0. Plus 4 and minus 4 get cancelled. We are left with k equal to minus 3. That means if k is equal to minus 3, then x minus 1 is a factor of px. Let us now learn to factorize a quadratic polynomial using factor theorem. For using this method, general form of our quadratic polynomial should be x square plus lx plus m. Here L and m are constants, and let us denote it by px. Then according to the factor theorem, if we have pa equal to 0 for some a, then x minus a is a factor. So we will try to find some real number a for which our polynomial becomes 0, and then x minus a will be the factor of our given polynomial. And since it is a quadratic polynomial, it will have two factors. So we will have to find another real number b for which p of b is equal to 0. Then x minus b will be a factor of px. Let us consider this example. Py is equal to y square minus 5y plus 6. This is comparable to the general form as the coefficient of y square is 1. As per the requirement, coefficient of x square should be 1. Now the next step would be to find the factors of the constant term, that is 6. We know that 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors. Let us find the value of py for y equal to 1, y equal to 2, 3 and 6 till we get two values a and b for which p of a equal to 0 and p of b equal to 0. So we start with p of 1. On substituting and solving, we find that p of 1 is not equal to 0, so it does not satisfy the condition. Let us check for p of 2. We get p of 2 equal to 0. That means y minus 2 is a factor of py. Now let us check for p of 3. P of 3 is also 0. That means y minus 3 is a factor of py. And now py can be written as the product of the factors. Let us now learn another method of factorization of quadratic polynomial whose general form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a cannot be 0 and a, b and c are constants. To factorize such a equation, we have to write b as the sum of two numbers such that their product is a into c. So this method is called factorization by splitting the middle term. Let us consider example 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Our first step is to find a into c and then split the middle term. A into c is 36, which can be written as 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12 and 4 into 9. We have to choose the combination which can be written as sum or difference such that the answer is 5. Clearly, 9 minus 4 will give us 5 and 9 into 4 is 36. So we take 9 minus 4 and now we can write our quadratic polynomial as 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Group them into 2 and now taking out common, 3x is common from the first two terms and minus 2 is common from the next two terms. Now we can take out 2x plus 3 as common and we are left with 3x minus 2 in the bracket. Hence we have factorized 6x square plus 5x minus 6 and 2x plus 3, 3x minus 2 are the two factors of the given quadratic polynomial.